Hi, Jeff Luty here with Houston Window Experts, and I'm at the International Builders Show in Orlando. It's 2022. I want you to meet my new friend, Michael.
Hello.
Michael, thanks for taking time to talk to us about this. Listen, I'm walking around and seeing a lot of great stuff, and this blew my mind. And I said, oh my gosh, we got to get the camera out and talk to you guys. Your company is Bertrand.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we're a company based in Poland. We've been there for 53 years, and we're looking to expanding our business here in the United States.
So that's the reason you're here, and You're introducing us to some really cool stuff. Obviously, this window behind me, I'm going to talk about it. It's got some exciting things, but this is a tilt and turn window, which is very European.
Yeah.
Right?
So for the people that are not familiar with this style of window, if we turn the handle in this position, we can open the window like that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And if we turn the handle like that, we can tilt it.
Yeah, I love that. That's really cool.
This is for ventilation. If you live here in Florida, it's great. You can leave your house open like that. Nobody will be able to break into your house.
Oh, I like that. That's really good. Okay, so what I like about this window, and what made me stop here for just a minute, is that this window is actually heated.
Yes.
And you're the first, from what I can tell.
Exactly. Yes, we're the first company, whether you're here in the States at the IBS or in Europe at Fensterbau, we are the only company that produces these kind of windows.
So listen, I wish I had a thermometer or a heat gun to show you, but I've got to tell you, I feel this side of the window and it's cool to the touch. And I feel this side of the window and it's not just warm. I mean, it gets hot after a minute or two.
Yeah.
I want to let go of this.
Well, you can control the temperature.
Okay.
So you'll never burn.
Okay.
But it's great.
So tell me, I was asking before we got started about how you control the temperature, and you told me it's like a smart window, right?
Yes, so you can set the temperature that you want on your smartphone. So you can connect it to your smart home system. This is connected to thermostat.
And so if the room gets cooler, it knows to kick on. When the room reaches a certain temperature, it'll shut down.
Exactly.
Okay. So I heard this is the equivalent to 15 watts of energy usage to operate this.
Yes.
That's not a joke. That's really 50. I mean, that's like an LED light bulb.
Yeah.
And you get this kind of heat out of this.
Yeah.
So tell me, like, two windows this size can replace a heater in a room?
Absolutely. Like two of these windows are actually enough, more than enough, to heat up a 14 by 14 living room.
That's awesome. So if I had a bedroom, for example, that I built in the back part of my house and it's not connected to the house, I don't need to buy a heating system for that bedroom if I just buy a couple of windows.
Exactly.
Is that right? Okay.
Or another nice solution is you can use this inside your bathroom.
Oh, well, of course, yeah. So one of the things that I understand that is good about this is that it's also a more natural way of heating a room, like the sunlight does. Explain that to me.
Yes. So actually the heat energy is being emitted through long wave infrared rays.
Okay.
So this works the very same way that a sauna works, a Finnish sauna, right?
Okay, that's really cool. So infrared waves, what is it called? The long wave infrared rays, because some of you engineers are gonna like, what is that? Those long wave rays are connected to power, and what I like about it, the way this works, is you don't see it anywhere. Like there's no wire. It's not like the back window of a car.
Yeah.
So I don't know how you do it, and I don't know if maybe you can't even tell me how you do it, but I like the fact that this looks like an ordinary window. There's nothing about this window that looks different.
All right. It's not a great mystery. I can sort of show it to you.
Okay.
So if you look inside the window,
all right,
you can see two cables sticking out from there. And this is how it's connected to the electricity, to the electrical circuit.
That's really cool. Okay, so now you've told us the secret.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna have to kill me, no?
No, not really.
Okay, so what sizes? How big can you make something like this?
So actually, the thing that, sorry.
Is there a limiter to this? Like I can't go over 5 feet or 6 feet wide?
No. Actually, I have to consult that. Just wait a second.
Okay, all right. We're going to take a quick pause and be right back, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we had to do was we had to translate from meters into feet. And if you know meters, then you're going to know that You said 3 by 3.
Exactly,
3
3
meters
by
by
3
3
meters, exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
and a quick calculation using Google tells us that that's about 120-inch tall
Exactly,
window.
yes.
Okay, all right. So there's not really, there's not really an application that you probably can't solve that problem with this glass, is what it sounds
I think
like.
so, actually, yes.
It'd be able to go into a door.
Yeah.
It'd be able to go into a window.
Absolutely.
And pretty much anything in a typical house, we're going to be able to do using this product. So when's this product going to be available in the United States?
If you want to order it, you can order it tomorrow or even today.
Today even. Okay, so you guys need to quickly tell me what sizes you need and how many, and Michael and I will get together and put an order together for you. So I want you to know, if you're looking for a great window company in your area, don't forget to check out jeffslist.com, and you can find who we could recommend in your area. I'm going to work with Michael. We're going to learn more about this. If you have some questions about this product or how Michael or Bertrand or I can be of help to you, please let us know. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for your time, sir. Very knowledgeable, very interesting, new technology, great stuff. I'm really glad we got to connect today. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.